Hey, I'm here to review this humidifier. All I did was fill up this container with water. I got the power cord here, very neat, and easy instructions. Actually, I could put a little bit of essential oil right into this little slot. For now, I'm going to skip that. You let it wait a minute just to let the water travel in, bubble up. Okay, it's got a little cleaning brush, and I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, press the single button nice and long. And it's already working right away. This you could just turn and angle where you want. It's pretty cool. And you single press the button to get the light modes. That's really cool. Single press again, and you can choose the actual color. And to power it off, you just hold it down. And that's all, so easy.
Alright, see you later.
Okay, have fun driving your little scooters.
They're not scooters, okay? They're professional go-karts, you know.